Today, we're going to build the Firefly Serenity using 12 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
The first thing we're going to do is grab our ever-handy Travis brick, and the big hole of the Travis brick is going to be the bottom of our Serenity, so put that down like that. Next, we're going to get a 1x1 sloped piece of these cheese wedges here and put it so it's sloping down, so the small part is near the hole of the Travis brick and it slopes up to the fat end on top. And after we do that, we're going to get a 1x3 plate and put it so the Travis brick is at the very end of this plate. We're just going to put that on top like this. And now we've got that plate shooting forward. And on the front stud there, we're going to get another one of these slope pieces, this time translucent black, because that's going to be our cockpit of Serenity, and put it on so again it's facing forward and sloping down. And then behind that translucent black piece, we're going to get another slope, a light bluish gray slope piece, and put it right behind the cockpit and have it sloping down the opposite direction. And that's going to give us our kind of rounded look of the front of Serenity. And now on the sides here, we're going to put a 1x1 plate, and this is going to kind of extend the wings out to create the wings of Serenity. And on top of that 1x1 plate, we're going to get a 1x1 tile with clip on top and put it so that the clips are kind of on the top and bottom, and then the hole is facing this way. And of course Serenity has two wings, so let's get those two wings on. And you might need to adjust these pieces because, you know, they're just 1x1 plates stuck onto one stud. But once we got those in position, we're going to grab a lightsaber hilt, and you've got that fat end there, and that goes in the back, and then the front is going to be that part with like the little tiny ridges there. And we're going to put it all the way, those ridges like right there at the very tip of the clip, and so engines go backwards. We're going to do that again on the back, get that smooth end in the back and the clips in the front. And then to get that big old engine on the back of Serenity, we are going to get one of these Technic drive extension rings, and we're going to put it so that the back stud and that hole just go together like this. And here we have Serenity. Take my love, take my life.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.